I think of it as a giant train set with points and things like that. Hi, I'm David Smith. I'm the laundry production manager for University Hospitals Sussex, and we cover the entire trust of 4 hospitals. This is St Richard's Hospital, where you are here today, Worthing, Princess Royal in Haywards Heath, and the Royal Sussex County at Brighton. We are processing, on average in a week, 240,000 pieces of linen. So we specialise in doing sheets, pillowcases, towels and blankets, and then patients' personal clothing and scrubs for the operating theatres. Our general process is dirty comes in to the dirty side of the laundry. The cages are then broken down into foul and non-foul. The foul gets processed separately through a barrier wash or through dedicated programs on the batch washer. The non-foul gets segregated into sheets, blankets, etc. And then it doesn't get touched until it's gone through the batch washer, comes through the tumble dryers and is delivered to the chute, so that the awaiting tote is ready to go to the relevant ironer or folding machine. Supertrack's a brilliant system. It enables us to prioritise what we want to go through the laundry, to have a good laundry flow so that it keeps our clean side busy. I think of it as a giant train set with points and things like that. So very basic, but it's a big train set to me. I certainly see the benefit because it's taken out the human element from when something gets sorted to when it comes out the chute at the end of the drying process. That saves us time, it saves us money, and we don't have to have as many humans involved. I use the reporting tool personally myself out of it with the eView system. So the data that we use from eView and SLX, because I've got 2 shifts, they like a bit of healthy competition. So they want to know what figures they've produced. So we can tell by eView how much has been sorted by what category between certain times. And the SLX, we can tell how much has been processed on the clean side. And that gives us great tools that we can say, this is performing on target, we need to do a bit of improvement here. So the actual EasySort system provides a safe and managed way of sorting the laundry. This has ticked many boxes on our health and safety, and our health and safety team are impressed with the new system compared to what we had in the past. So we've no longer got people manually loading up washing machines. We've no longer sorting into totes, into cages. We touch it once, it goes into the EasySorts, and then it goes off on its journey until it comes out the other end of the dryers. If the laundry was not running, that would mean that patients wouldn't have clean linen, which in turn means the hospitals would stop having to take people in. It's a key part of the whole hospital experience. The Servolift too, we use that from time to time. It's a great addition to have, especially if there's a small problem and the engineers are working on Servolift 1 and the EasySorts. It means that we can keep producing. So Kannegiesser, I've got a fantastic relationship, whether it be getting reports or sorting out problems or getting spare parts. Always professional, always come back quickly in a timely manner. Find a helpline at Kannegiesser is really helpful, even to the point of ringing them up at 5:30 on a Friday afternoon. They've been able to log in and been able to solve problems for us then and there, which means our shift can continue. I believe Kannegiesser should be proud of the product that they have introduced here. It's reliable, it's a positive step forward for health and safety, and it makes a difference.